If you're serious about building strength with dips, pull-ups, or weighted squats, the Seektop Dip Belt with chain might just become your new favorite gym companion. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's one of those pieces of gear that instantly makes your workouts feel more solid and professional. First off, this belt is built really well. The neoprene material feels soft against your lower back, but still provides solid support, and the steel chain feels strong enough to hold serious weight without any slipping or strain. It's about 36 inches long and 7 inches wide, so it sits comfortably around the waist without digging in, even when loaded up with plates. I really like that it's adjustable for any waist size, from 25 to 45 inches, and the chain length gives plenty of room to attach weights easily. The overall fit feels secure, and once you start your set, you don't even notice the belt shifting or sliding around, which is a huge plus. Design-wise, it's simple but sharp. The black neoprene looks sleek, and it's available in other colors too if you want to match your gym setup. It's also PVC-free and non-toxic, so no weird smells out of the box, something you'd be surprised how many cheaper belts get wrong. Now, for the small downsides. The chain could be just a bit longer for those who lift very heavy, and some users mentioned it's not ideal for extremely large plates. But honestly, that's nitpicking. Overall, I'd give the Seektop Dip Belt a solid 9 out of 10. It's affordable, durable, and super comfortable. Definitely one of the best dip belts under $20 right now. If you're ready to level up your pull-ups or dips, check it out. Link in the description below.